Welcome to navi3. In this video we show you how to check the toothed belt tension of your navi3 cleaning robot. We will demonstrate the procedure using a proliner navi3 as an example. You can do the same with a proliner or clubliner cleaning robot. Poorly or unevenly tensioned toothed belts impair the ability of your cleaning robot to travel straight. If your device is not running smoothly, you should also check whether the toothed belts are still correctly adjusted and clean. To check the toothed belts, lay the robot on its side. Check the tension. Both toothed belts should yield about 2 centimeters. If the toothed belts are too loose or too tight, please adjust the tension. Unroll about 5 meters of cable so that you can dismantle the housing. Remove the filter box. Open the shackle on the tether. Remove the case screws. Take off the case and place it on the cart. Slightly loosen the tensioner pulley mounting bolt. Use the gauges provided. Slide one of the gauges under the toothed belt to ensure the desired tension. Place the second gauge over the tension pulley and slightly tension the toothed belt. Fix the tensioning pulley again with the screwdriver. Remove the gauge. It should be possible to pull the toothed belts down about 2 centimeters with light pressure. Repeat the process on the other side. Put the case on and fasten it with the case screws. Attach the lanyard and close the shackle. Your navi3 cleaning robot is then ready for use again. Thank you for your interest. Further information about our products can be found on our homepage, our YouTube channel or on the internet.